Making some jackfruit punch today, guys. So you see, you got the jackfruit already, ready to go. So gonna add one ripe banana. This is a burro banana. So this one is actually, it's gonna be an electric or alkaline smoothie or punch, just alkaline punch, right? So this is alkaline. All the other bananas are not. This one is a burro banana, B-U-R-R-O, and this one is alkaline. It actually has seeds in it. So one burro banana, and the rest is just this, and also some Brazilian nuts. That's what these are. These are high in selenium, so these are really, really good. So let's get it ready to go. Slice the banana up a little. You don't have to, but I just want to. Slice this up also, the skin. The skin is good to go and stuff also. You could even use the skin to cook and make stuff.
A bowl of bread in my belly.
Green skin to make like
a bowl of bread in my tummy.
Alkaline meal.
A bowl of bread in my belly.
Like pulled pork, you could do it.
Me alone and yam my bulla. Me alone and yam my bulla.
With it. Although it's not gonna be pork, but you know what I'm saying, a substitute to meat. So yeah, that video will be coming up in the near future soon. So, but here we go. I'm gonna now just pour these into the blender. So here's our blender, and let's do it. So get some water in here. Water, and just we're gonna add our stir little by little. bit of date. A little bit of date.
Coming from the grave. Coming from the grave.
There it is, guys. So check it out. I'm gonna pour this out and taste it. I tasted it on the spoon already, man. It's really nice. Look how creamy that is. See the texture? That's just nice and creamy. Here we go. Look at all that. Perfect. You could taste the nuts in it and everything. Really nice. So here we go, taste test. You don't even want to stop drinking it, man. Really nice. Oh man. You could taste the banana. You could taste the jackfruit mostly, but you could taste the banana, and you could taste the nuts, the Brazil nuts in it, and the dates. See how it is? Just yellow, just like the jackfruit. This is really good. It tastes like milk is in it because the milk is from the nuts. So if you want to make milk without, like, not non-dairy milk, so not from animal products, use and electric milk, like alkaline milk. So make it from the Brazil nuts. Just put your distilled water or your spring water in your blender and put your Brazil nuts in and just blend them all the way out and just strain them off with a cheesecloth or a nut bag, so you'll get the trash out, and you'll have your milk. Put it in your fridge just like regular milk, but only thing is it's good for you. Thank you guys for watching, enjoying this nice drink. Try it out, let me know how it comes out for you guys. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Drop this video a like, share, and yeah, follow me on Instagram right here. See y'all in the next one. Enjoy. Love and peace.
Made it, oh made it, made it.